My name is Margaret Sullivan. I'm 65 years old. I stayed silent for 40 years. But today, I'm finally breaking that silence. If this story helps you, please subscribe and leave a comment. Your support means everything. 5 a.m., the smell of salt water drifts through the Marina shop windows. I've opened this door every morning for 40 years. Ropes, anchors, life vests, boat supplies. This small business kept our family afloat. Mom, you're up early again. My husband's voice came from upstairs. But he never came down. In 40 years, he never helped run the shop once. He just lived comfortably in this building. My father left me, spending the money I earned. An old brass compass sat on the counter. Dad gave it to me when I was 25. Maggie, never lose your direction. Always find your own way. I finally understand what he meant. The marriage was arranged by our families. His mother, Patricia, was president of the church auxiliary. His father worked at the bank. They seemed like a respectable family. But from day one, it was different. Is this all? This is all you're bringing? Patricia kicked my suitcase. My mother had spent weeks packing it carefully. Her family's not well off. My husband didn't defend me. He made excuses. That night, I knew what this marriage meant. Patricia was different at church. Mrs. Sullivan, you're such a devoted mother. Always putting family first. People would say that, and she'd smile humbly. Oh, Margaret's such a sweet girl. So grateful for her. At home, she changed. Margaret, dishes aren't done yet? Dinner's too salty. What did your mother teach you? I didn't answer. I just bowed my head and did it again. Every day. For 40 years. A week before Dad died, he called me to the hospital. Maggie, about the Marina building. Yes, Dad? The structure's complicated. The shop's in your name. The apartment upstairs too. But I own the land. When I'm gone, it goes to you. Dad, what are you saying? And those 2 rental properties next door? The income goes into a trust. In your name. My lawyer has the papers. I didn't understand then. I thought Dad was just making sure I'd be okay. Don't tell them. Use it when you need it. Okay, Dad. Those were our last words. The funeral was quiet. Dad didn't have many relatives. Just a few old friends came. Not many people here, Margaret. That's what happens when you live poor. Patricia clicked her tongue next to me. Mom, Dad just passed. Please don't. What? I'm just stating facts. He spent his whole life in that little shop. Our family has a real legacy. I held back. I didn't want to fight at Dad's funeral. But when we were clearing the food, Patricia pointed at Dad's photo. What did your father even do with his life? Nothing to show for it. At least my husband has a pension from the bank. I couldn't believe my ears. She was insulting my father in front of his picture. Mom, please stop. Stop what? It's true. You lived in poverty. Our son took care of you. My husband sat there scrolling his phone. Something snapped inside me. Mom, please bow to my father. Just once. What? He fed our family for 40 years. This building, this business, it's all his. Please bow once. Patricia's face turned red. How dare you? After 40 years, you talk back? I'm not talking back. I'm asking respectfully. You wouldn't have anything without our son. I own the building, Mom. Silence filled the room. What? The shop's in my name. The apartment's in my name. The building you've lived in for 40 years is mine. Patricia's face went white. You're lying. Check the deed. Dad put it in my name when I got married. That night, war broke out. Divorce. You lied for 40 years? My husband screamed. I didn't lie. I just never mentioned it. That's the same thing. What did you do for 40 years? Did you help in the shop once? Change a diaper once? My voice shook. First time I'd raised it. That's how my family does things. So you treated me like hired help for 40 years? Patricia interrupted. Margaret, sell that building. Half belongs to our son. Marital property. The building was mine before marriage. Not marital property. What? And Mom, you know how much I earned in 40 years? I have records. Every dollar I gave you. Every family expense. 40 years of records. Next day, their attitude changed completely. Margaret, we got emotional. Sorry. Patricia actually apologized. What about those other properties? Are they yours too? I lied. No, those aren't mine. Her eyes had looked strange. A week later, my sister-in-law visited. Margaret, you should sell. My brother has a great investment opportunity. No, why not? You're married. Share the wealth. Who's responsible if it fails? Her face hardened. That night, my husband filed for divorce. I'm done. You changed. Money changed you. I didn't change. You just never knew me. My lawyer will get half. Do what you must. I met Dad's lawyer. Mrs. Sullivan, all the documents are here. The land's now yours through inheritance. The rental income from those 2 properties? 20 years of deposits. About $8 million. I couldn't breathe. 8 million? Your father protected you, even after death. There's more. Your husband withdrew business funds. $2 million. That's embezzlement. Court day arrived. Their lawyer spoke. My client supported this family for 40 years. Now she's betraying him. The judge looked at me. Plaintiff, your response? My lawyer submitted documents. Your Honor, 40 years of financial records. And proof the defendant embezzled $2 million from the business account. The courtroom erupted. That was living expenses. Living expenses were separate. Here's 40 years of proof. The judge studied the papers. Defendant, your response? His lawyer stammered. We need time. Submit evidence next session. Final judgment came. Divorce granted. Property division in my favor. He had to repay the $2 million. That night, I returned to the shop. The old compass caught my eye. Dad, I finally found my direction. The needle pointed north. Now I'm opening a maritime museum. Dad's building will preserve our coastal heritage. The rental income will fund scholarships for struggling students. Revenge is living well. I'm finally going to live right. What would you have done? Tell me in the comments. Next time, I'll share a story about reconnecting with a first love after 50 years. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.